the Samsung Galaxy F is one such change that gives prominence to the future of smartphones. The company is very much confident about the beginning of an all-new F series and believes that it will create a very different zone in the smartphones world. I actually don't find any need of a smartphone technology like this, but a lot of people do, as it comes with a couple of features that might be able to outperform a tablet or even a laptop in terms of handling to perform some very light tasks. At the same time, it offers a complete mobile experience with a far better view. All in all, you'll be getting a trio in a single package. Now, when it comes to the device, I think Samsung is done with all those major steps and it's all ready to get your hands on. However, the reports still believe that the Galaxy F is going through some final touches, but again, it's related to sides of this phone that needs to be lifted so that the device get a stable form. We all know that Samsung took some 3 years to introduce a final version of it, which is not a gimmick at all. Moving to the main highlight of this video, Samsung may reveal an actual Galaxy F at the Unpacked event held next month, where we'll also get to see the Galaxy S10. The information belongs to Wall Street Journal and it makes sense as the Korean giant wants to be at the top spot when it comes to the foldable phone. Additionally, to mark a new record, Samsung will use a bundle of 2 batteries for the Galaxy F. This is a speculation from Galaxy Club that again makes a lot of sense, as the foldable phone will use 2 OLED displays and a single battery is not enough to get a good screen on time. So to work upon that particular aspect, Samsung will add 2 3100 mAh battery on each side of the foldable panels. This clearly makes a total of whopping 6200 mAh of battery that should be enough to finish a day. Also, the Galaxy F may enter the 5G club with the upcoming S10 Plus. It's good to hear about, and for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.